All right. I guess it's too. Low. Hello. I went to go visit my buddy Bob Ferry today. Well, I made it, but it was like 3-4 hours after. Well, at least 2.5 to 3 hours after I wanted to meet him. I wanted to show him a bunch of stuff, but I wound up going to a Walmart, stop in to go to the bathroom, and I lucked out. I was actually looking at some Strixhaven stuff for the Magic the Gathering, and here comes the vendor. And I didn't know who it was. I never met him. I've never been to that store before. So I'm looking. And I'm like, you know what? I got to go to the bathroom. I happen to be walking to the bathroom, and I saw Panini Optic, Panini Prism, whatever, Donruss Optic, Panini Prism. Like, I'm looking at all these things, and I'm like, wow, I gotta check this out. So I looked at everything. There was like nothing there. And sure enough, man, as soon as he got there, was like, he was there. I started to leave, and then 3 or 4 more guys came. And I'm like, what's going on? And it's like, why'd everyone come from? They're like, oh, the dealer's here. So I was like, what, sports cards? And they're like, yeah. I'm like screw that. I was going to go to the bathroom. I held it in for like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, whatever it was. All right, enough of the stupid stories. I'm making this video to show you what I got today. I've seen these once before, and they looked pretty cool, but I didn't know what they were. Guys were grabbing red ones, white ones. I didn't care. This was the last one. I happened to get it when I came back after getting sports cards, and this one was there. And it's called Pokemon Pokeball. The Pokemon TGC Pokeball tin contains 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs and 1 Pokemon coin. I could hear the coin. All right, so that's really, seriously, that's really cool. Little kid was there, and I was like giving him high fives. I gave him a hug. I said, way to go. You got some. This I thought was really neat. This was left on the shelf. No one wanted it. And I said, you know, these are really cool. I don't know. I have the receipt somewhere here. I don't know. It's called a League Battle deck, and it's Inteleon. It's one's 320. I don't know. It was actually pretty cool looking. But guys, tell me if this is good, because I took one. There was like 7 or 8 of them there, and they were at the top shelf, and maybe no one saw them. I don't know, but I have to find out what this sold for. Oh, here it is. Okay. Inteleon. I don't know if it's Inteleon or Inteleon. 808746. 808. Oh, you know what? I bought this one. I went back to the store. To buy my buddy Bob Ferry a couple things of. I want to buy him two Diamond Kings hanger packs, blaster boxes, whatever they're called. And you know what? I don't see it, but that's where the receipt is. And I'm sorry, I'm going on and on, but I don't know. They were either $19.99 or $19.98 or $29.98. But please let me know if this is good, because there's a whole bunch of them still up there. I tried to leave stuff on the shelf for other people. I left 7 Diamond King blaster boxes when I went back to buy them. I left like 20 of these. There was 4 left of these. That was it. And there was no more blasters, so I bought Bob 2 hanger packs. Hopefully he wants them. All right, I'm going to go quick with this because it's already 5 minutes in. I got another one of these. It's like the, I don't know, 4th, 5th, 6th one I got this week. I'm going to check the price because they're different prices in different places. So I got 2 of those. 808173. Oh, 808173. Wow, $49.98. Wow, that's the most expensive I've got them for 43, I've got them for 44, and I got them for 43 and 44, and I got them for 38 or 39 at another place. And these ones, they sold them for $49.98. All right, here's the other one. I don't know what this is. And there was 4 of them. And I took one, and I was thinking of taking another one, but I left them there in case someone wanted it. But I don't know. This looks like it's something new. I never heard of it. It's called Pokemon Zamazenta. If anyone knows what the heck this is, I was reading it. It said something about trading card game, blah, 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 Sword and Shield. It's an Elite Trainer Box Plus. The Elite Trainer Box Plus Zamazenta, and I don't know what that is. So I don't know if people didn't want it, if it was too expensive, because it was $59.98. So $60. Please let me know if this is good. There's still 3 of them up there. I wish I don't know. I'm still learning Pokemon. I don't know. This was, you gotta love the ball. The Pokeball. That's so cool. Battle Styles. Oh, is this the one that I opened? It is. This is my very first Pokemon pack. I was wondering why I was off to the side here. This was from a different day. I bought this weeks ago. And I opened one, and I got a really good card in it, too. All right, here's the Pokemon packs that I got today. It was Vivid Voltage, because I never bought those before. And they had some really cool Pokemons on the front. 2 Wolfmans. 2 flying robots with the claws out. I don't know what that is. A couple Pikachus. And another one of those robot claws. But I know I bought 8 of them, and I only see 7 of them here. So I must have dropped one of them. So I thought that was one, but it wasn't. That's the previous one. But here you go. That's the robot claw. Wolfman guy. Wolfman. Pikachu. A couple Pikachu ones, if it will take it. Pikachu. And another robot guy. It's funny, I'm calling him Robot Guy. The only thing I know Psyduck and Pikachu. Other than that, I don't know. All right, and I think this is the last one. I love these things. I got it because this dog, it's called Boltund, or Boltuna? Boltund, I think it said. Shining Fates. This Boltund dog is so cute. He's adorable. I saw someone breaking yet. Oh, it was Denali Market. Denali Market. Denali Market. And this was pretty cool. This one is, how much did this cost? $809,507. Oh. That chick, she must have taken one of my Pokemon packs. I took 8, but there's only 7 here. That's crazy. Why would she do that? 807503. Yeah, that's it. She took them. I don't know why she would do that. She took a pack off me. 809507. 809-507. Okay, this was $30. It was $29.98. But I've got these before, and these are, and especially this dog. This dog is so cute. It's like people like Eevee, and they like certain characters because they think they're cute. Well, this dog's adorable. What is his name? Something A-N-D. His name is Boytund. No, Boltund. 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 It's a really cute, adorable dog. He's like white and yellowish, greenish, eyes in the front, and then like a purple back to him. But I think that's all my. Pretty sure that's all my Pokemons. Yeah, soccer. All right, cool. All right, we're good. 11 minutes, less than 12. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Cool. Please let me know about that Zama, whatever it's called. The Elite Trainer Box Plus Zamazenta. I've never seen that before. Zamazenta. Thank you.